Alright, inside the truck right now. Let me see if I got a date on here just to show the date. Let's see, calendar. Today is November 20th, Wednesday. Just to show the date, 7:31 p.m. I'm about to pull this plow frame off, so I just want to show that this thing is in proper working order before I pull it off. It is connected to the plow, to the truck. Right now, I raise it up. That's up. Left wing up. Right wing up. Both wings back. Now it's in a V. Putting them both up to a scoop. Completely down. Completely up. Angle left. Angle right. Back up to a V for a scoop. Completely back. Straight down. Okay, I'm about to pull this thing off. I'm sure everybody knows how to pull off a boss plow. It's real quick. Takes about 10 seconds. Actually, I'll demonstrate how easy it is. I'll pull this up to the driveway, a little bit closer to the house. Alright, throw this in park. First thing you got to do is double tap this down. That is now in float mode. Truck's in park. Walk around to the truck. First thing you want to do is throw this lever. That's back. Throw this guy. That's back. Go over to your switch. Hit the up button to disengage it. It's now disengaged. Drop the whole tower down. That's it. Unplug it. Power. Controls. Truck's now disconnected from the plow. Just to show this thing's on wheels, I can pull it away from the truck really quick. It's now separated. Real easy. Okay.